If it's the first time watching this channel, we do.
Please like, comment, and subscribe.
You don't like it?
Oh, how come you not like it? Oh God, man, like, comment, and subscribe right now.
Remember to share it, you know. Remember to share it.
Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Yeah, gotta be somebody out there for me. Gotta be somebody out there who'll see that I'm lonely. I'm lonely. Yeah. Keep on pursuing happiness. I need a royal empress, flawless when she take off her dress. Who no involving in no craftiness. Now where could you be, my mystery lady, sent from heaven for me to set my lonely heart free? Gotta be somebody out there for me. Gotta be somebody out there who'll see that I'm lonely. I'm lonely. Mommy say things take time. Just keep on searching and you'll find loneliness been a friend of mine. Now it's just the end of the line. 'Cause rain come and fall, and I got no one to call, and I'm stuck between these walls, and my money don't matter at all. Gotta be somebody out there for me. Gotta be somebody out there who'll see that I'm lonely. I'm lonely. Dark cloud in my world, 'cause I can't go on without a girl. No, this is not me. This is not me. Not me. No, no. No light. The storm that the sun I feel in my little world.
Rasta. Mama, here come there. Mama, let's look boss soon forward. Wagwan. Wagwan feel. But I said to you though, they don't say them I'm not work for them a day. So why you check me out so? She don't want to pay your money?
No money, no man. So me have feel funny. I trust this a shopping. So one man know me man, must stress me out. The man every time I try to save her money, it come and me can't save because she eat. We can't do nothing. Here, he put in here till that 2 days time and take it out. Me see him pay here what here, not even 36 hours. I didn't take out to say too tight.
How much time do she do her hair regularly?
Why? Every week.
Alright. How much you do here? How much you do here one time?
Depends. If I braid, it costs me 10 grand. If I weave, you only want to know the price. She has stressed me out. We need to find a better thing to do. Can't manage her.
Alright, so I'm going to teach you something now. If you left that woman and you find a sensible woman, your problem solved now. You ever date that woman for overseas yet?
No, but I think I'm going to try that one there. You feel so?
If you find a sensible woman, a working woman, preferably if you find a woman where go through life already, like a more older woman. Because the way you talk, that girl's a young girl, right? If you find a older woman who know life already, who knows right then, if they go buy one ear, they go buy one wig with value good money, but they not buy no wig for the rest of the year. So you know the money save one time, does you know. And then you can save your money and put your money to a business where in the longer run you can actually have something out of it. You understand? Then if a girl eat out the profit, they're gonna be no capital to capitalize on to really make a better for yourself. So some people don't really know what they're here for. They don't have no purpose. More than for me don't like chichi and like sitting there. So you have to watch, you have to look out for those ones because they're here, but they don't know why they're here, so they're gonna do what they're gonna do. Because if she's smart, she'd have buy one of the Remy here them and dye, cut it, bleach it, do anything and do it. Because I see smart people come to me on a daily basis and they tell me what they do, so I can tell you what to do. Change that woman and find a woman who mean you good and mean herself good. We're going to walk to. And if you get a woman overseas, we want to second on a yard or two, even better. Because you know martial arts and from what they know it for a long time, you know. And it's a downhill you go from, I see, you see you pick up the young girl. I don't know how she look, but I know your time when you not start talking.
You know, I'm take advice too. More left her. More left her. Because right now, my mark out. Tell you people. Talk a lot.
If you pick up a woman from overseas, they would have bill you, and you could have bill them and you could have met life. But Jamaica is a whole long place overall, still, but you still can make it here with a good woman. So picture if you get a woman with one place and a whole long place, and you down a whole long place, two can mesh, things are harmful, you can flourish and you can do things. So you know, my advice to you, change your woman, make your woman go find a man in the same category of her, where you told him can do here and then. Make sure you find one age a man. You know what I mean? When you go do your hair every day, our man who want they just encourage her. Say find a man who like do to 21. We want the place like them they are carrying, you know what I mean, the person here. So then the people who want the here place, them say they want to work away because they get the hair cheap. So it won't broke them down really and they would have left him backside because they don't lose profit. Anyway, let's do that. Them type of girl, them there for a reason, you know. For tear down, you know. You know what I mean? They don't want your life go to nothing better, you know what I mean? So if you find them, you have to let them go, let them find some different people. You know you go. That is the chop right now.
Alright, so I take advice. Me link if anything happen.
Yeah man, just let me know what go on. Alright?
Yeah.
Check back about 10 months time find out what year. Yeah man, just do that. Alright. When they get the result, you pay them back. And remember, we give the session free, so just tell people about me. Mr. Fix It All at the office.
Yeah man.
In the town. Send them to the office, not to me yard.
Alright.
Mama get up out of bed and go cook something now. Go cook something now, man. Oh, come in, come in.
Good afternoon, Mr. Fix It All. You know what I'm do away?
Yeah, I know, it's a job. Sometimes fast, sometimes slow. A lot of problem going around now. That's why me around there body frustrated. I can hear the noise out there, but sorry about
Well,
that.
me there wait too long.
Alright. Well, long waiting is good sometimes. Keep us away from sharp things. Alright.
Not every time.
Yo, I know I can't see a cat today coming up. How she a deal with?
Yo, I don't know who she a deal with, you know. Cause look how long they are wait upon her. We tell her to come in the next 5 minutes. 5 minutes pass and gone and now she can't reach you.
I can't tell you, see a gun people we had him a deal with, you know, man. Yo, we try to hurry up and forward before a man get grimy upon the ends too, you know. Look here. How much caca and the all can forward? I'm talking girl, man. Yo. I'm not thinking if it's party do, you know.
You move too soft too.
I'm not thinking if it's at all.
We have to go grip her right way and show her say and suffer with badness come down.
Friends when me a par with, I want to come out of the company because they're too bad for me and I can't manage. So my friend give me a link with you and remember somebody call and get in contact with you. So I'm supposed to come.
Yeah, man.
Come now and me here so me try access it what me can do with you.
I know exactly what you're talking about, you know what I mean? So like it's a tough case, but you consider relocating, like moving from where they are and go live somewhere else?
Me not consider myself relocated, but me not have the money to move as yet.
This is a tricky situation. Look like you're afraid of them, man.
Very kind of beat me up.
Alright. What I gotta do for you now? I think that if you try to be somebody else, right? Go on YouTube and ask YouTube how to fix up a granny makeup on myself and get a old woman here and practice how to go out like one granny. And before you go and tell a friend them, say, you know, some grandma I come down, and then, you know what I mean, when they come my yard now, you put on the granny and shake out and tell them, say, the granddaughter gone somewhere.
I believe, me not think they would have believed.
They will believe it if you do it good. Just pretend I'm the actress, just be an actress and do that. And young people don't like old people. I lie?
Yes, so.
So you see, when they come to the way you be a Hanayan granny. What no, my granddaughter, you let them all stick to.
And then they turn around and beat
No,
me
then they can't lick an old woman. They will not lick an old woman. They tell them that's against rule and law. Don't, they can't lick an old woman. They're getting in trouble for that. They would have never done. I tell you, your friend, they would never lick an old woman. Because you gotta walk with a stick and a shake. So you say, you know what, I'm grandparents, you know, trying to do no. I'll lick two of them. Now they face with you and see what go on. I've some ring piece of dash on them too. You understand? This if they never come back here again.
Alright then, Mr. Fix It Up. I'm going to take a foolish advice now, but remember, if nothing go wrong, it's in your hands. Okay.
So we're going to do now, just do what I do, and then get back to me and let me know what really got on. Yeah? So it's nice meeting you, and come again. Just solve the case and come back. Pay the secretary. She will tell how much it costs. Alright? Alright. All the best, you know?
Yeah.
And choose your friend them wisely next time. When you're done with them friends here, choose them wisely. You know what I mean? Alright.
Sean? Sean!
Yeah, mommy.
Come here. Come sit down here, son. My daughter? I say, you know, it's a couple of days ago, I saw a nice little businessman down the road, you know. Doing well. Well.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, that can't work. I don't want no businessman. Shopper man me want. I want a man who can give me money when I want. Money, I want lace wig. I want frontal. I want makeup and face, everything.
But the businessman can't get that.
You not go have no time for me when I want my little time. You know? Me don't want no businessman. Me want chopper man who chop 24/7. We can go a party and braff and buy big buckle of anything. Me don't want no businessman.
What the backside I mean boy you want chopper? Chopper for do what? Listen to me, it's not what you want. You see, in a them time, you scam bring death and be a sadness and problem in your life. You know so much young girl that miss upon news and a dead.
Me get what you're saying, I understand what you say, but I know what you want, I what me want.
You see, if you can't do with the businessman, you can't do with no other man, no other house here. I'm done chat.
Alright, so good day. Thanks for coming to me, because when you come, you know, say everything will get fixed. So what's the problem you're having today though?
Good day, Mr. Fix It All. Why? You know, say me have one man there. Everybody see one brother. Every single person. I don't know what to do with him.
Well, first thing you have to understand, with human being, we are a species by habit and attitude. So maybe there's something in your partner life that is lacking for. Just like when a pregnant woman eats dirt and stone, there's something lacking in the relationship. Are you playing your part in the relationship to ensure that you don't look no other way?
What you mean by what that's supposed to mean? My wash, cook, clean, give him wife every single thing. He just can't satisfy. Everybody when you see all that, he just want. Cousin or not, he just want them. What me fi do with him?
I think where that is concerned, you have to have a reason with him now and ask him the question. do you like me to return the same favor what you do? Because you're making us two can play that game then. So if him there with your cousin, you're there with him cousin too. So that means you're gonna go second. You know what I mean? So you go talk to him and say, watch out now. Continue the way I do, but make it toward the same thing. So if you're there with my cousin, more there with your cousin. If you're there with a new girl out the road, you're there with, and him not go want that. So if you don't want that, you don't want that, him go settle down with you. Him go calm himself, man. But you have to make him know, so you know. But you cannot just go off of assumption, you know. You have to actually sketch him in the act. Then you can strike a deal with him and say, all right, me catch you doing this. Either we go end the relationship or we go do the same thing we do.
I'm not really sure, you know. Because you tell me if you do a risk, I'm press my life.
I said you're going to team up with somebody going to have a camera set. So she have a camera set, him can't sign up prank because the prank for true. It's actually going to be prank. You have more than one somebody there when you're doing the prank. So if him try be defensive, if him try get hungry and try hurt you, people go there for wall him. And then when you can say a prank, you go calm down, can go know it's a prank, you go show him on the video. Say it's a prank.
On the street, you can't go up on the road and go on like say you're an idiot. We not roll so. If you know what you know, I'm not an idiot girl to you.
Oh, I saw the day. What do you mean I saw with it? Look how long we are away from you.
Do you have one little appointment to deal with my wife?
What kind of
You have
apartment
no busy
you
going
have?
on no
But
apartment.
I'm have something to deal with my mother. You see, that's why I have run so late.
My girl, as when I go to India, I go late. We can't use her then. Girl, come like you're a chicken head, man.
Belly, you don't understand, charge you. I have some things to do with my mother. Me been not telling you that, but you follow your friend over there, so like, you know, no sense.
So what we are going to do tonight? We are praying for rob a boy.
And
You
that
see
will
me?
happen tonight, yeah.
We are going to rob a boy tonight. So we see you in.
Yeah, man.
Try make sure. Cause you know our secret. You see, if I know our secret, you're going to leak in my girl, you know, so you're going to get here. You're going to get here. There's nothing normal or go on. That me I try to tell you.
You have to go train you somewhere, you see me?
Cause
You
you're
go train
too
you
soft, my
somewhere.
girl. Say, we
You're
not
too
roll
soft
soft
right now.
people, you know. You see how we roll. Real gangster, you roll with. So act like a gangster.
Watch out. Yeah.
Take a
that
take
bad.
a hand for your eye.
So, I'm still going along.
You can't so say I go on. Come on we talk.
Come in, man.
Tell you this you know. You see if I go, they're going to laugh off your face. Try not say you're going to get it. Right this thing. Alright, in the forward.
What I'm telling you to do is something that's proven to work. I've solved this case already many times. So what you do, just do what I tell you to do and get the result that you want. It will stop. Because him no want to feel the way or him feel at the first. When he knows a prank, now he go blow down and then go look into himself and then go change. So if you want him change, do that. Anyway, I have some different clients to come and my time is not free. So how much you go pay? You pay the card. I pay my secretary out by the front. You know what I mean? I left a little juice money for me differently because that case I give you a while ago is a gold mine. You're easy, you get out, you get the man for yourself and now. So do that and let me know what you want. Come back and let me afterwards when I don't do it, alright? Tell me the
So
result.
how much money for pay secretary?
You come here a lot, give me 5,000. If you want to put a juice on different, give him 5,000. Alright?
Alright.
Alright. Come again.
Tough one that, you know.
Yes. So all I want you to do for me is get yourself a clean sheet of paper and a writing pen so I could provide you your winner's information, okay? Yes, you get that?
No, this is my daughter.
Hold on. I'm
check
gonna
the
call you
boyfriend.
back in a few because the clients in the background are making so much noise, okay? Yes. Evening.
Good evening.
Name is Bojo.
My name is Sharon.
Everything good?
Mm-hmm.
Yo, father. How are the bomb bar here say? Why man finna come in with the money? Yo, here what go on. Just load up the thing, them here. Take up his shoes and my everything. Me a fall right now. Yo, they run a boy there, ramp with it. Yo. Yo, hold this be. Buy a jeans. Mama, buy yourself a jeans. Here. Me call. Deal.
Alright. Me a go ni what talk about him?
And them the dirty chopper boy they want get after all long me I want about chopper. All long me I want about chopper. But this is too much money look at dirty boy give.
Me get 5,000
5,000,
money.
you think the 5,000 money, eh? Think the 5,000 money? You so much time me I want and all this, eh? You better look at dirty boy come out and give 5,000, 5,000, girl, come out of my room
Me
too.
go on some-
Get up back, come out of my room, girl. You don't have nothing about your little shameful dog.
Nah, come back here.
You call Brittany. There. Yo, Brittany. I got me a page right now, you know. You better be able to deal with him good and proper, you know. You let's say you take with him for fool. You look for a wedding to call link with. And you know how much our secrets them. What kind of style that? You better go bust up your face. And that over there, you come be there right. See me look for the yard. You see girl. You got there. Alright. You go over there. Don't say I can't manage myself, but I'll be able that day. Alright. Black girl!
What you want from Brad Pitt there? You tell her yourself you don't part with you again, you know.
How are you?
Me a black girl grandmother. And what you want from my granddaughter? Tell me.
How are you all about? Yo, where black boat there?
Said her girl at Kingston with her father.
Let the black boat road come in there. You tell me idiot.
Because she the bad company we do. And we can't balance for lose my granddaughter because of who do.
Watch it out of here too.
So
Granny,
what
watch
you
it out of
want?
here.
Tell me what
Yo.
you want.
Granny, me have respect for you, I don't have disrespect for you. But I try to know who you are dealing with, you know, man. Watch it out of here, me see if you in there.
You can't come in here. You feel like you're alone about people? Me and my son them at Kingston too.
Yo, but I'm going there for myself.
Yeah, me
Ask
tell
your
you.
granddaughter about me a
But
bad
me
girl,
don't
you
know
know,
where
man.
you talk about badness. Alright. Me say you can't come in on my house. Come
Watch it out of here.
Where you go?
Yo.
You feel like you're alone bad? Me and bad pit me at Kingston too. What before then? What before? Oh.
Yo, Uma.
They can take a picture of you and send it to them.
Yo.
They can take a picture.
Hold on.
They can take a picture
What?
and send it to
You
them.
know, but I'm left the place. You really know how I go on. Brittany, you know how I go on this hour? You can't believe. Me go check black girl. I be see me now when me walk come in, I be see dirty girl, you know. I run going like house, you know. And then the granny me see pop out. So me I say, you know, like you know, say a black girl be come to you see me? One fly out forward, take me picture, say him have bad man at town, and me I know bad girl, and this or that, and him have bad cousin at town that can send come for we. You imagine that? Look what secret the girl do for we. What you say?
What kind of flatness is that?
I
You know
say,
who she deal with.
you don't know who we. But you have how much bad cousin that town where you can send for we. You don't know say we are grip with self.
You know, say 40. You know how we are going to hear me.
Yo, all the girl black about there. Yo, that's what I say, Fatty. We are going to avoid him for true. Because he has some bad cousin for true, girl. And we don't want he has so much problem. You see, because that they want them bigger than we.
No,
Take it up.
no, that's not so coward.
Dog got a coward. I told you about they come from, you know. And he got there up a town, talk to you and the grenade them, you know. But watch you know, you're going to just avoid her. Because we care about it that the water they hotter than we. You're going to avoid him.
Best thing we do.
Make sure, you know. Because I don't want no man come down, you come from a town, come for me, you know.
No, you're saying, man. So I'm going to avoid the girl, man. I'm going to say avoid her, too.
Alright, now man, let's say 40.
Alright.
Yeah.
Doctor.
Good day. What's your name? Your first time having you here. What's your name?
Shania, boy, I have a little problem on me. Remember they stress me out.
Why mama do know?
I want like one boyfriend, but he don't like boy.
Alright, let me ask you some questions before I can do a diagnosis. Right? And so what's the problem? Alright, most of the time parents are defensive because they see you going down the wrong path. So the gentleman that you're bringing home to your mom, is him a hard-working person?
I'm a scammer.
So you see where your mom is coming from now, right?
No,
You don't see where he's coming from?
no,
You love the boy.
yeah.
Do you love your mother?
Yeah, I love it two of them.
Yeah. So would it justify the thing that one do harm the next one?
I don't say that in this today. You know do nothing.
You see, if you have strong nerves and you're there with a white collar, the white collar them take money by the billions. You know, yeah, but you're saying they can't find any money. You know, because scammer couldn't take their money there. Their money there, and the jacket and tie people, them gone with their money there now. So, if you have to jump over one fence and you have to crawl down a gully, swim with alligator, run. If danger come, run. Do not bring the man around your mother, because maybe danger be there. But any danger come, you run. You can't climb tree?
No,
Learn how to climb tree. Or learn how to swim. You can't swim?
no.
Why rough? You go learn how to paddle, dark paddle. Car. You reach age now you can do what you want to do. You can take your bull, but take your bull away from where mommy is. Stick to what your mommy said. Mommy want you there with somebody more rare. You're there with somebody more rare because she push out and carry come and please make the lady live her life good. She do not fear. And she produce a nice little girl. Enough push and you look like you come out good. You don't get no squeeze or nothing, you come out perfect. Do the lady proud. The lady knows you can't get anybody. That's why he's so mad at you. You know what I mean? So, for this session, it's a case where we can't really solve fully.
Oh.
Because it's up to you what you want, right? So, whenever it comes down to no nitty and gritty, we are in a no tight situation, make the secretary give me a number, you call me, and I will assist you. But for now, I want you to go test out the water where you test out and see what you can do. Keep me what I do. Alright? Yeah. You're a very young, attractive lady. You can do better than danger. I'm not saying love is not. If the person plans to come out of the game for you, put that to him. Ask him if he can get the money and come out of the game. Invest in something like going on something like make a money and then flip the money in our business then. Tommy say out of that bad game and you and him make life. So mommy can look on the difference so you can be respectable people and help build Jamaica. Alright, so do good, walk good and we talk. Alright, pay the secretary out there.
Yeah.
Alright. Secretary, hear me I say to you now. Do not send on anybody out there now because I have things to do. I have to look at business to fix myself. My things that spoil and I fix people business. No person, I not see nobody fresh of the day. Send everybody home. Tell them say more work should they decide door. So tell them say me gone for lunch break. I'm gonna come back till the next 4 hours. I'm gonna do some things. Alright? Yeah, just reschedule them for next day. Alright. Good, my boy.
Yes, daddy.
You know, say you know, but some you know, see me little green cashew.
No, daddy.
You know me at all, though.
What name, sir?
Green cashew, them when we tell us that once you see them, you're not trouble them. My favorite snack them.
Me no know it. Me no know it.
No, me talk about this, but what do you mean you don't know me at all?
Me no know your cashew there.
Oh, you don't know it?
No, no.
Me not accuse them, man. Me not look for because. Yeah. You see me cashew? Me cashew. You know you put snacks. Me know man, but me alright. Yeah, I understand that.
The cashew?
Yeah.
No, that must make me something why.
Me know man. True, me they have it. Me like, me know. But you literally some put it in. You understand what I mean? I know him take up it.
Boy, you sure say you take my father cashew?
I know him take up it, man.
Daddy, me not pick up the cashew. Me not eat.
He not
Why
good
stop
eat,
tell
man.
lie?
No, man.
Me
He
never buy
not
one
good eat,
cashew
man.
other day. No, me buy 2 cashew. Me give them one. Why you have to say and I eat cashew? Me give one last week.
Watch out for the boy. Watch out for the
You sure say I eat the cashew and left right? That's all?
Daddy, no eat the cashew.
Like a boy, be honest. You eat the cashew or not?
I don't eat the cashew.
But anyways,
I know.
babe.
So what up on your mouth? What's that?
Yeah, that. No, daddy, I'm not salt. I shook. I don't know. I don't
You don't know what up on your mouth?
Hey, come here.
You're a big thing, man.
I don't eat the cashew, daddy.
Come here. Yeah, honestly,
If we bribe him, and I
You
him,
see, if him, this is getting out of hand.
no, if
We
we
don't
bribe
want
him,
the
and
child.
if I'm going to
And another
may I give back, you know?
thing, I am pregnant.
You what?
Just do it.
You what? So you just
No,
leave
wait,
that
no,
for
we
us,
soon talk to you.
Alright, watch what I'm going. You see, you know it. You see another family, honest with you, you see? And we are going to just make this pass. But we want the truth, you see? So what we are going to ask you now. A matter of fact, you see, if you tell me the truth, you buy a bun and cheese, you get 2 plates of food when you get to dinner today. 2 plates, you alone, imagine that. And you can eat the same time, you don't have to put up none in the fridge. And if you're hungry later, we're going to KFC. Are you eating?
Daddy, me hungry.
Are you eating though?
Yes,
Maybe.
Daddy, me hungry.
Are you
This-
eating though?
Yes, daddy.
Honestly,
me hungry.
this is getting out of hand because
But me hungry.
when I eat it, when did you eat that cashew?
And a long time.
When I eat it, tell the truth.
This morning.
Why, how much kind of food I get this morning? No, look here. I buy alone and I feed this a picnic.
But me hungry.
Right? What kind of problem I take up on
Me
myself right now?
hungry. Me hungry.
Oh, you're hungry, so I wear my name out.
You get breakfast. You eat half a cheese snack where you have in a room.
How about then your belly boy, Chichi?
And we are talking within a 15 minutes period, you have this.
Here, be.
But that don't know what you mean.
We need
This is
to
not
talk.
only you eat, but we are talking about breakfast and the snack.
Let me talk.
But that.
Alright, so you don't want nothing more for you. You would eat nothing more for you.
No, daddy, me hungry.
Look here, we need to look at this stuff.
Fix it up. He fixed the marriage stuff like this, like.
No worry yourself. Yeah? No worry yourself.
But no, I'm pregnant. We don't really need the marriage.
Yeah? No worry yourself, man.
I'm not hypocrite style.
Let's send you up on a trip, you
I'm
see?
just being realistic.
Without. Listen.
No, call him.
What do you know more them?
Eh?
Why hush up before you get the face bust up over there, so.
No worry,
You
man.
make me getting cruel right now.
Come on.
Keep your money me have to borrow for you to mine you.
Go on, talk to me. Come in.
Fuck's sake. Good.
Make a call the man to take back in there. You pregnant for you? I hate the choose no to tell me. You need to tell me this and I tell me we can celebrate.
Because I'm 100% sure. I said,
Yes, yes, man. Simply means you're sure. So how you know 100% sure now? If you say yes, you say yes. It has said no for years and it finally say yes. We have to say that now time we can celebrate anyways before the celebration, you see? We could give back.
you will have to because.
You agree with me? We just want to agree with me.
100%. Just make sure you have one nice family together. One rich
Say
family.
no more.
Because. No, I'm not going to one rich family because the money won't be going to. As in I say.
Which rich can maintain that? Eh?
Somebody will have
Somebody which work, we are work and we take out loan so we can buy food, feed him. You ever hear of a family that take out loan just to feed me? We take out loan.
Alright, just cool down please.
Yeah. You're hungry? Give me a money. Yeah.
You get no food, you get no food. You need to go check him or something then.
I don't want to take a extra 5 minutes with this I pick me up.
So now, this is when I'm trying to check in.
No, I'm checking, man. They did say I will call in the first class. Ringing now. Hello. Yeah, man. Yeah, good evening. Mr. Fix it. What going on, man? Alright, a long time to hear from you, man. Anyways, you fixed a problem for a couple of years ago. 10 years ago, right? Alright, you might not remember exactly who. Remember your family when we did have a little. Don't forget it, no. We never could have pity. Yeah? Alright, and you say you have you say you have a solution, you can fix it, and you recommend me to one of your child. However, that go good for 8-9 years. Right? But even though the problem is fixed, right now we need a refix. Right now. Yeah, man. Yeah, we can send them an address and you come back to us, man. Alright, sir. Alright, see you then. Yes, you can come back. You can have the next 20 minutes. So, the land number 98? 98.
Yeah, 98.
Oh. Still hungry? You can hold on to the next 15, 20 minutes.
We're gonna have a visitor
I have a visitor. When he come by, you go upstairs. The visitor might be the solution to your problems.
Yeah.
Believe me. Yeah? When he come, you just go upstairs here. Look your way. Zip?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna take long to come, though.
You're good, man. You good?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Why just stop talking about
You're hungry too?
hungry.
Come down here, something.
I'm never gonna that.
Hold on.
I'm gonna get the book.
Yeah. Come in. Come, Shaq, on it in. Go upstairs in the room. Yeah. Yeah, man. Try to go play with him. Left it key.
Listen, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Nice business again.
Yes, man. Why am I even going to start? You want to start?
You know, so I was just left from the office, you know.
Yeah.
Just left from the office. It's a long day. But since you call me on one of my old clients, I take every client as very important because client mean a lot to me because without you, the client, having so much problem, I wouldn't have
You want to be able to fix?
Yeah, so I like when you break things out. So what on this try and break now? Make me have to go fix one now. On the relationship in a shambles. I never hear good things on the phone really. But because he's a man, so when you start talking to me, everything is a blur. So you say you want something fixed until we reach here. So no matter what, I don't remember what to say. So it's okay, but fill me in for why the reason I'm here today. No.
Alright, speaking on the relationship is as sharp as ever, right?
So no, I'm going to mash up the phone then.
No, don't worry mash up it. But currently, there might be an object, right, that could maybe like kind of break us further down the line, right? So that will kind of call up to talk to you about.
Yeah.
So, you never remember we last problems with the app was having a child. Yeah, man, try remember, man. We had problems with our child. Yeah.
When we did younger.
We did way younger.
Yeah. Kind of on a long hair. And you never know curly hair when kind of nigga issues. So time change. Huh?
No. But anyways.
Alright, you recognize the young man we just go upstairs a while ago?
No.
Alright. That is one of your son.
That's a solution.
Oh, come here, wonder if I need some of them, you know. Somebody tell you why. Yo, me back in the day. What if I father pick me? Yes, it's true. You look who young one day, because mother could feel, mother run him. Because I'm super straight through, mother be fatty, mother maga down. That's one day. You don't get him for true.
Yeah, man. I mean, it's a
man.
It's like when you mother, you stop down my bank account.
Alright, hold on, not before we say so. I mean, it's a good young man, don't get me wrong. Like, very manageable, respectable.
Yeah, come out of the back of a king.
Yeah. And he put to some point.
But him spoil.
However,
look here, get to the point and be concise.
You get to the point, guys, for something to fix. I can't fix it unless it's broken down.
Right.
If it's not going to talk good of him, that means I'm not needed here. He's good to know.
Yeah, him good, but something wrong with the appetite.
Yeah. We can go doctor numerous times and them say
And we know call you right here to fix him appetite. We just really want, we don't want him appetite fixed. They can fix it, so we want give back.
Oh, no, must be mad.
No, hold on, before you move, man. No, hold on, that's one thing we don't want you to do. We don't want you let him down. Wait, man, we talk first.
It's your biological child.
Yeah,
I will not. Oh, right.
Yeah, man, we're not really preparing you.
I think I fixed that case already.
No, but it's no problem.
I mean, you fix the problem.
My bar is sleep alone just to make the pit then young.
Alright, really and truly.
You phone upstairs already?
Yeah, it's that.
I'm running into a little difficulty with some funds, you know.
With some funds?
Yes. So if I could get
might be able to help you with that. So we could talk.
If I could get some funds, maybe I could.
In 1 minute then, cause you're trying me a call him.
No, don't call him.
Why not?
I'm since you walk on the phone. So I'm with the phone.
What I could do, you know? Because we are big people.
Yeah, we are big people.
How much money can I get to take him back?
Take him back.
No, because a deal is a deal, a contract is a contract. You say you're going to take him and grow him as your own. So no, I got to break it to him and I got to break him out of eating so much.
But we really we never say for calling. We never say for calling.
But not necessarily him going to know, right?
No worry, dog. I will talk to him, man. Because for my son, when I say go,
you know.
She have to go. He or she, the boy, alright.
It's not a she.
So much kidney, so much that I don't know.
No, but when you come in a while ago, I recognize the young man.
No, I tell her, I have night blindness. I cannot see very well at night until I settle
And
down.
this year try this your own son.
So I never see who the person who passed really. I see like a dark shadow going.
But me refer to the person as your
Alright,
man.
Alright, quit talking
My
about
time
that right now.
I'm ready. I do
The
business.
thing is,
Alright.
are you gonna take the child?
No, hold on. When I go upstairs a while ago, he really says something good to me a while ago.
Money.
Yeah, he go on the money topic.
Money fix problems.
Can you believe that child, in terms of food only, costs us approximately $3 million a year? Don't ask how we know the figure. As a matter of fact, before you ask, we take a loan just
for food purpose.
Just for food purposes, for him alone. We eat differently. For his salary, for food, different. We take a loan specifically just for food. We're not talking about school and clothes and nothing else. $3 million a year.
I might take care of her. This boy is not a nyama. Me? Not a nyama. I am
Come here to the boy.
No, just take time upstairs. Just hold it down.
I got it.
No, don't, hold on. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute.
First grab the figure. That means when you come ready.
You have a figure in mind?
Well, 1.5 would have good.
1.5.
1.5 million. Because if you're saying eat 3 million a year, that means that we're going to put in next 1.5 making out.
1.5.
No. We.
How old is he now?
Wait.
He's 13.
Not 13. Now, can I talk to him for a bit, please?
Yeah, go talk.
Just give us 1 minute. Okay?
Yeah, man. Take 2 minutes or 3.
Yeah.
Don't discuss the money. Make your money right, we fix all things. Right money fix everything.
Like, that is an idea. So, like, we are bad. It must be 1.5. We are big with the east. So, you don't expect him might say, I'm not that far when you come here. I call you back and I say, don't want that extra money. Make it sound like we get one cup safe. Like, we not one cup safe and not that loud.
Because it would be better just to keep it just one. We don't have to spend that.
If me can give 800, you think you want to take it and give somebody else, you have to spend $3 million. You need to sort out the youth. So you take the 800 and the million you give him and go sort out the youth. You know, saying you can't fix problems, you know, fix it. If you have a problem, that's a normal thing.
So you say one.
That is a problem when you try to get into 1 million. Right? Come, yeah.
Yeah.
She just reminded me about a little bankruptcy we did in a while. So when I did say the 1.5, really make up my mind like I would have worked with it. I never remember this. More $500,000 right now, so kind of so. I would have said 1 million would have sound good for me. That's
I take $1 million.
You take $1 million?
Yeah, I'm Mr. Fix it. So if you one question I ask, do him eat fast?
Very fast.
No, you know.
He eat very fast?
Very fast.
That's what I like. That's my boy right there. He go famous. I'm gonna make him famous. Because I'm gonna fix it. Cause if he love to eat, I know how I'm gonna fix him. So that's good.
Okay.
I'm gonna sign him.
You have a solution though for the
Right now, so give me the $1 million, sign up, everything just what can I home now?
Yeah.
And send the money.
Send
Send the money to my account, right?
Yeah. Oh,
so
right to my check.
Yeah, send the money to my account. Wire it to my account,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
We do business
That's
already.
not a problem. That's not a
And
problem.
the secretary, I'm going to give you, just call the same place where we call a while ago. I was in the office and left a message on the machine. My wife, slightly secretary / side woman will fix the details and you send the thing them to because she pregnant, you know. So that one next thing.
Hold on.
So more pin is there. So
Hold on. We didn't give the good news. We didn't give the good news.
No.
Did we not give you the good
No.
news? My wife is currently pregnant.
Oh, a while ago, I was just thinking about selling the secretary child.
I'm gonna think with that child.
Oh no.
Get no offspring.
From
No, we are spring from your gene. Like, definitely.
Once we try shy. Well,
Yeah, man.
okay, it's okay. Alright.
Carly.
Carly.
We are sending him out with a little gift for coming up some
Davion?
snack. Yeah, get to it.
Come here to the boy.
We're going to leave you.
Food ready?
Go here.
Don't get more than food.
Come here, son.
Go for your bag and packet things and go.
No, wait first. Let me talk to him. So you can go talk to your husband and break it down to him, right? I need privacy to talk to him. I got to get through to him. Alright? Wait, let me talk to you. There has been some sort of problem. Look, pay attention, put on that. I'm never tell you. God was just a means, right? Some years ago, when you're born, your mother won't let you because you got suckered down too much and one bag of things. Stress and bag of something. You couldn't fix that problem there. So, I am your real father.
No, I'm your father.
No, listen to me. I will fish in your mouth. Listen, me talk to you. Me say, me are your papa. Me not ask you. And me walk and bring you come here. Your mother was a tall, strong woman. You know what I walk me have to walk for bring you come here? When you born and you start suck her titty them, she maga down. So she run off. She save herself. Me see her one day she fat and put her back her weight. Can't blame her. Can't shame her. But you may say no, differently from that. Let's take it more serious. So it was a business transaction. So now them are rewrite the contract with part. You come live with your real father. Them go carry them she pregnant your mother was we talk with the mother.
How them whether they are.
No, them fix a plate of food, a pot of food for you so you can carry it.
So are you making yams? Are you making hungry?
I don't make you hungry so your mama yam enough. Your mama yam enough so you're born with your mama appetite. Right? But know yourself. Hello, look here. There is some competition. There is some competition around the world. Listen up. You want famous? You see a nyamming attitude? Who can nyam? Go survive. Come here, have a link. Some people do some bun eating contest. Every eating contest. We go sign up for it. You will be the world greatest nyammer. Come on.
We have some food, I cook some food.
Give me
You can just give him for the journey. My little bit more.
It was nice knowing you, my son.
But may I say something to him?
You must feel free to come up and eat some time and what?
Yes, come just to adjust that. You say something about famous and eating competition.
Oh yeah,
like it's a world competition.
Like I love eat. There's a big world eating competition where him can come like on nyam no place. Come
And I know
to.
those competitions will make him earn money.
You will earn money and listen me. Remember them are people here too. If you have things in their life, remember them because them do a lot for you.
Yeah.
But I'm a real father, but because them are part of your father, part of your childhood.
Same way.
Yeah, so come on, let's go.
I love them if we really
push up.
I come to some food tomorrow.
Alright.
If you come back in Easter, remember to
Bring food when you come back.
money
I come to bun
and things to supply.
Bring bun and cheese.
So now I'm putting a cheese and 360 bun thing. No, I don't need it. If I say second, go through.
Yeah, man. Thank you, Ryan.
Yeah, man, yeah. Bun it down, nice business do it.
Yeah, man, yeah,
It's
man.
nice.
$1 million.
Yeah. You can you know what kind of man and man that will help you there. Who want to them? You know when you come back here?
I'm glad to get that off away.
Thank God we get doing that. Hey, I want to tell you. So Easter come? See. March, April, Easter. April?
Yeah, something like that.
Valentine, a little bit of come up. So Easter come, we take a vacation. We go come and knock the 9 Kingdom come. Oh.
But I mean, raising for 10 years kind of feel
So when we work, my money but they are working on big empire. So we're going different. Good night, baby. So good night.
Good night.
Mother. But me want kind of stepmother, stepson. So give me a partner.
Oh.
We can't talk about that. But yeah. How's it day? You don't miss me, you're more so.
No, because I just bring.
Don't worry about that, man.
I mean, I know where it comes from.
Don't worry about that. Alright? I'm leave the bag to come here. Alright. Yo, listen to me. Not looking at the Sit down. Sit down that side now. It's soon talk.
So what? You're good? You're alright? You alright? Right there. food left in my pan. My food already left in there. You want the bun one?
We don't say you deserve some explanation. I see you looking crazy at me when I came in, right? Alright now, so it's a long, short little story. I'm getting a short term fast and quick, right? Come to say like quick. Yeah. Alright now, so what go on now? Back when I was younger, you know, we meet a lady, long story short, we do things and then my youth arrive, but in that period of time, she run off, left me with you. Maybe I have like 7.
So why me just send him for this?
No, because sometimes I remember say because me give him when he was very young. It was a baby. I supposed to tell everything, but that's the one I told me when we never talk about much because I never feel so proud of doing it, right?
Can we see what this son? I want to who that day.
Alright, so I'm tell you now. I'm a son. Where I give him to our family because they couldn't have kids at the time. But now that them getting impregnated, them no want him anymore.
Oh, so they came back.
So them say them request me to take him back. But the beauty about it, they will pay me $1 million to take him back. You understand? So this is why in the back 9 place.
But I should have tell me still.
Should I tell her? But you know it go. But we jump over that bridge already and cross it.
So we go do it, him go stay here.
Him go stay here, but him soon push out, you know. Him soon push out, but me have a, them say him have a eating disorder. That's saying okay.
Yeah, can we just eat some food or is alright?
Allah, yeah. Him just eat a but that food for him come in.
I mean just share food up or is again.
Alright, so we have to go try this budget eating that we're going to eat and ensure.
Must have been being said, but I feel like
no worries, said man.
We don't like
the business is not too bad, but I'm a pitney. You come out and my penis.
But me never know nothing about that.
Yeah man, so don't worry about that. So let's move on. No, sure I did the car. It's a boy, no caution him. But babe, they don't say they have enough for it though. They have enough for it. Just eat a pot of food before we come here. Daddy, when panic night carrier come down, I say to you, say, I go line up and eating competition, you don't have to eat so much. Breathe easy, you know? More empty your belly if you want to go and eating competition like a puller eating competition, bread eating competition, your belly empty. You go can eat a 12 bun, same way? No, me say, I say to you, when you go to eat bulla eating contest, you go and eat 12 bun, same way? I go and eat like, because she never get enough food. Can you still have a pot of food? Alright. A man may well a reason. Because there have to be a reason why you eat so much, but think about the answer on a man when you're talking about
if you actually look at it, why me eat so much?
Listen me. Your mama, you take it from. She could have nyam. This is how I get her, you know. I get her with 12 bread, 6 sachets.
To bribe her?
I'm not bribe her. She just want that and she give me that for this and she have a good something still. So accidentally condom boop and bop and beep and bop and you jump. And when you jump, you suck her down. She run come jump your foot and the people them come for you. So them can't get on pick me. So we just think of it as a good transition, give them you and you get though you see you turn a big boy, you still a name. But there have to be a reason. So they end back. Hold your neck back. No man, no. Calm down. Calm down. You back at you?
No, it's not happening.
Alright. Because we go see why you name so much. Alright. So anyway, eat up that and then you got your bed. The room on the side. Right? No. Listen up. You see yourself? You're a man. You understand? So you go to bed and you feel like go. Me not talking man in a bed. Right? When you want to go to bed, you go to bed. But me say when you're asleep, you go to your room also. One idea when money make, we go put. That's not what I have some money, but I have some business, but I have no money to spend. So you know. Because I never using it all. Me only in a bedroom. That's what it is. But since you go there, you know, me know say go on TV night, they can play a game them pan where and this that, right?
Yes, Daddy.
Alright, so that will do and that will do. Go and eat where you eat. Alright?
Yo, bad dog. You set off your body already? Alright, just normal. Tell me to turn up my container there. Yeah. Alright, normal. Yo, they want to see a girl here, man.
Mirati, that you know, let me not see you.
Normal, man.
You know, let me not see you.
You're good, you know. Because they come here and they try to use Sykes for money, you know. But anyway, forget about that. And then they come check you. Your grandmother comes tell me. Say, we are bad people and this and that. I'll take the picture up on the phone. But anyway, you can't go on. The friendship done. But just don't tell nobody with secret. You see me? See, friendship done. So you can't go on. Go on,
You
man.
don't feel ashamed, me, so.
Go on, man. Everything good. What with your tough self?
That the girl that come check me, man. I'm like, what? Listen.
Good evening.
Evening.
I'm on.
I'm on.
Let me sleep.
What?
Never call me.
Oh, yeah, dude.
I'm going to spend the night. How you go?
No, man, I'm just done be there asking me a phone to do something.
So you want to?
No, I'm there going easy. Where I go?
Give us a name and check you.
Well, me there going easy.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
Why you be so strange? Don't you?
No, I'm just strange.
You talk to people to call me. Something.
But me do, man, me there going easy. Say, where I go. I mean, your contract. Oh, but they are still. Say, no, I go.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I go. I think that in the house, but otherwise, I mean, I go on the airport as well.
You want to play?
Play? No, me don't want to play. One.
Alright, come on.
That is so come. One. I'm sorry, I'm coming here.
Babes.
One going.
There, man.
There, man.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
Where we up to?
No, but they are going easy.
Oh.
Tell you there.
What do you mean, what do ya? So, me have to have a reason for coming from boyfriend?
But you know, I'm only coming up on them there.
Well, me come running now.
Oh, come on. We're going inside.
Okay.
Boy, but tell you the truth, no matter when me do it, still I give me bone. Come like you know what stop. I don't know what to do.
Alright. Well, I think that the thing, you want the person more than you want, he want you, right? That is it. Let me see the man where you're mad over really, because I don't know what we are one man. Also, let me see the man. Put the man before me say we are mad over.
Alright, same man. I see him from my phone screen. From my phone screen, me have him.
Are you man this?
Yeah, Warren.
You love him?
Yeah.
Alright. No, because I'm a person that read people face expression and personality. I can make that man top cheat, man. You can make him top cheat and have him for yourself. But here now, this case is special. Just give me 200,000. Right? And not ask no question. Fear, man, for yourself that. Alright?
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Alright, Mr. Fix It All. I'm going to try one here. I'll make a secretary get you.
Yeah, man. Don't worry about it. Me say me have this one covered for you specially. The man I fear. Right? For yourself, you know. Right?
Okay.
Alright. Take a biscuit with it too.
So I'm going to
Put my son on the phone. Yo, how you going, sir? Alright. Well, me get a vision, you know. And me have a little story to tell you. Me get a vision last night, and I have a story to tell you. And if you follow this story, you're gonna be the happiest man ever live. Just like you love food, this is something. Yeah, man, food, protein in food. We know your ears open up wide when I say food. Yeah, man, so when me come in from work, me will a reason, because you're my son. And if you follow what me say, you go happy. Alright? Watch your stepmother for me. Make sure, say, watch her. Any man come today, let me know. Alright? Know yourself. Me give you food. You get food. I'm soon forward. Me a lock office about the next hour or so. Alright. Yes, Ja. Money come, money go.
That was fun when we can come back on to you.
We don't know.
I mean, you know, we are the tomorrow.
Next week.
Well, next week, look how far next week.
Never on the road that you were this week, so next week. Yeah,
Yes, yes, sir.
go on.
I go like in our ugly. So.
Yeah, later. Sometimes I can come along.
Hey, what you say, Ado?
Yeah, just what I know. Yeah, pizza place. So yeah, they will.
No, I'm going to feel. You can't go in.
No, me not going to the house. I just want to tell you.
Then you can come feel in tomorrow then?
Yeah, later.
Alright.
Later. Or tomorrow. Tomorrow. Yeah.
Yeah, man, Monday, we are going to go get the car back. You know what I mean? Because that's score that machine, you got a machine jar of money, and then put the card in a machine, and then the card come back out, and the can't press no at all. How does that happen? So, but me go down there today, but the full place, full, we couldn't stand up down there. Me there have those things to deal with. But me on Monday, me I say, go sit down there and deal with that. Alright? So, me know, sorry about the inconvenience with all of that, me gone. When I was, yeah, I'm going to be idle. Once I sit down and then when I my time to go in, I just go down, because it takes too much time down there. Because I have one bigger than the building on the full. Alright, but anyway, may go talk. Alright? Alright, bunny down for you, bro. Alright. What go on, sir? I get a vision, you know. Come, daddy! Hey, look here. When me talk to you, I'm a son. Why you look for me and talk to you? You understand? Stop me now. Please, son. Stop me now. Yeah, that good. Shh. Yeah. Me something. See your mother wash plate there. Let's talk to you now. I get a vision. When me left this morning, when your belly full and I get to wake up early. But I James say you have 3 girlfriends.
3 girlfriends.
I had the dreams. None of the girls will have brown, none black. One look black one in a dream. The one that you first that woman in a dream. Just show me the signs here for the one day. Only. Because in a future in a dream, the girl owns 7 supermarkets and 10 restaurants. Food everywhere, food in abundance. Food. That one day. Wallpaper food. So it's the one day, are your best bet. She go left you in the movie because she have 2 other women. And then one next man go into one of the food. You want that?
No, that.
So you know what you go do? You go ensure so when you see her the next time you confess to her and stop at the next girl them and make sure so that one they can see my gym them straight like an arrow.
So I have to go left them, daddy?
You have to left the next 2 and stick to the one that go give you food. What we say you go do?
Let the next two that I stick to you and I give.
We're going to give you food. You love food, right? That one they got food everywhere. Food from downstairs to upstairs. Food from roundabout to roundabout. May I get through to your son?
Yes, Daddy.
Make it put in your brain. Say, so when you see that one day, you convince her to stay with you because she gonna have food. And you want to know the biggest thing? Money buy food. And if she have food, you don't have no money, you gonna have food. You understand me?
Yes, Daddy.
Do you right, do the right. We just come in a moment there. And she got your beer. What you do?
Listen, me general.
Yeah,
No, say all link send me to you do, you see me? The person tell me say any problem me have, you can fix it. You see me? So me I wonder if I could have fixed the problem I may have.
Well, you come at the right place at the right time, you know. And we are about to leave the place differently. But since today now, what your problem though? Tell me what your problem, see what we can do. Can we fix the problem all the while?
General, me I dial over 6 months. See bang a phone
Yeah.
I may never make a money yet. You see me? Look for me here.
Mm.
All of my friends them, I pay big money them and make a drive Bima, markets and I walk. Me nah make no money. You see me? Them a tell me about say yo, me fi kill. Me fi make go up your man and make them kills and give me you call them a monkey. Sex monkey. Man, they can't anything they do me general. Nah make no money at all.
Well, young man, if you get this girl as a chopper and you chopping and get them, as soon as you not chop nothing, then go and left you. But anyway, that's your business when that come down though. But my job is to fix whatever the problem is. Problem is they're not making no money. Alright? So we're going to go on and
general, wait just tell me a while ago, I not understand you, I not tell no lie. You see me? What exactly me must do? Because I see some girl on the road, you know. And I need them, you know. But them no need me because me a bang, but me not chop no money. And they want a real chopper where I make money. So explain to me better.
I'm going to give you something for you. Whenever you wake up in the morning, this is how you're gonna get a blessing now. After you get up in the morning, drink 1 cup of room temperature water with a little tip of lime juice in it every morning. For 9 morning. And then after that, I touch the phone and you'll be relentless. Never stop. You understand? 10 days, then check me back.
Yeah man, G, I understood that now, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Respect. Me check him, man.
And get the weed put in it. Meditation is a must. So you know where I say you must have flow.
Yeah man.
Go through.
Respect again.
You see money me I make you come in my office and come. Where you come know where I did it, you know. This time you see as a son.
That's like you know.
No man, fam. Next time I don't see a flower, but I must might be 7 months. You will go on and now. I go on, you go down at the supermarket and I want you to take the money. I want you to buy 2 bags of flour. Right?
Yes, Daddy.
Some candy, some flour and then something there. And sugar. Right? Because one thing you know is you love your belly. So if you love your belly, it's going to be a thing. But you go do.
Yes, Daddy, but Daddy, I really look a bit.
That's why I say go buy the flowers. So see that wallet will go to my place and buy yourself 1 drink. Alright? Go through. Who next? Send them come. Secretary Miller take 2 months money now.
Good day.
Good night. How can I help you now, miss?
You know, see somebody tell me say me can't go and check because you fix people problem or something.
Yeah man, I'm Mr. Fix It.
Well, tell me have one big problem.
I can tell because you're big.
Yeah, as me say now, my graduate from school. Me have 15 subjects and all of them something there. And I know me can't have one Benz, me can't have my own house, me have to live in a rent house.
We how me plan you out in high school say once you have as much subject then you're going to get your work and you'll get anything you want.
Alright. There's nothing wrong with you really, you know. There's something wrong with the country. So where there's something wrong with the country, I'm gonna fix it, you know. But I'm gonna show you where the problem lies first. The structure of the country for a black woman is not for you to drive Benz and that. The structure that they have for you from graduating to high school is to be a servant. You know what I mean? You have to re-educate yourself about the street and then realize what it's all about.
People on
It's
road,
1%.
when I have no subject, when I graduate to the nothing, I drive Benz and all know me can drive it. So me I wonder what happened to me so.
We're going to now get yourself into the 1%. Think like a 1%er. Think like them. Because you have to thief like them. You know what I mean? When you thief like them, include them. Because once you include them, you get a piece of the pie. But you have to be brilliant too. When you thief, not thief yourself alone too. Thief, that means you make people around you have things too. Right? So when you go down the road, you can't go. I'm going to show you how you do it now. You have your subject them. So now you go try to get a work into the system and then you manipulate the system, make it work for you. Because the system have been having you working for it. Right? So now you have to make the system work for you. You need to know everything about the system and how you benefit from the system. Right? Then apart from if that don't work, give yourself 6 months to 8 months time. That don't work, you check me back. Look a good green girl. You have some money to put on in one place. You know what I mean? If you give me 5 pitney, you give you a Benz and you get a house. Easy and does it. You know what I mean? I work for my money. I have my woman but she can't breathe. You know what I mean? And if your fault. Or the salt's the salt. You know what I mean? So we got a doctor with her and then show me, say boy, right now she have somewhere she can't produce pitney for now. You know what I mean? She got to surgery or this or that. She have fibroids and not only that, she's I tell them my personal business though. You want to fix my business? Yeah, well we can fix the case also. You want Benz? My woman rich. So I could talk to her, you know what I mean, no one sense away. I fix your problem, you fix my problem because my woman miserable so she can't get pitney. Every night with there, I woke up and but realize we just do the things I don't feel like so that's a problem. So I'm not too interested now she doing the surgery. We don't agree with her already. So you want Benz, can you have pitney?
Of course.
No yourself then man, everything can fix. But first, do me say first, go into the system and try to make your money. If that don't work, give me a little time to talk to my wife.
So
and then figure it out.
Instead of me have pitney for your wife, why your wife not just adapt? It's very easy, you know.
My wife would rather if you have something come out of my pipeline, straight from my stable, because I'm willing and I'm able, right? So I can talk to her and convince her, because she want to go to other approach to think, consider it. But me feel say, I want something in my genes. You know what I mean? The boy are too talented for have something to jump around, right? Yeah man, so that will work. So know yourself about what you not have or what you not have, because I know your fault. And no salt to salt, it's just a system how they create it and what is to be will be. With them said we have to suffer and we're in the suffering and we're just a product of what they want us to be. But we can decide what we want us to be. It's up to us to make that move. So it was nice for you coming in tonight. We have a lot of people out there waiting. So your case go fix, man. So when I think, first you must know, all your friends may have, get them company.
You know, so I don't really keep friends, I just 2 friends me have.
Lego your 2 friends them too. I tell you. Because if you've been part of them friends, then you not push you go nowhere, not motivate you if you have things in your life, you don't need those friends. Find yourself some new friend, because your friend them is what give you success some time. Yeah. So if you're part of some uptown people, try to get some uptown friends. Your friends that may have downtown, when you have money, give them a thing though. Don't forget them, but you can't par with them. Just make them know, say, what you do, have to elevate yourself and not really insult them or in any form of way. I'm just trying to fix your problem. When time comes, when your problem fix, you go and tell them what I did for you. Go and do your stuff.
Alright, thanks.
Alright, pay the secretary out there, alright?
Yes.
Good night, miss.
Good evening, sir.
Good night. What's your name? What is your name?
K. Shannon.
K. Shannon. You have a long name, no complication, alright. It's your problem. How can I do this plant now?
Alright, I'm gonna tell you. I have some man problem. Some serious man problem.
When you say you have man problem, I would like for you to go into details. Because this is how I'm going to help you. Because I'm going to fix a problem, you know. When you say a man problem, I'm going to fix it. Right? So you're going to tell me what the problem is, though. And then I will tell you how to fix it, and I will fix it for you. Because that's how do I fix things. Let's go.
Alright, you see, there's this guy who I know about 4 to 5 months now. I meet this guy, and when I meet him tell me same about woman, but it's kind of complicated. At the time, he did single. He like him, but I never like him because I just come out of my relationship with this guy, so I never really want nobody. And he like me, but I never really like him. But as time goes by, can't even say it properly. It's like I find somebody, and as I find somebody, this guy start gravitate to me more. When I did single, he never really want me like how me maybe want him. But as soon as I find one man, the man will stop texting upon me, and the man have a woman. You understand? Him not left a woman for me. But I'm pray any day for me, just left my man for him, and he still not really want me them kind of way day. You understand? I see my man too. Man not treat me good. You want to know the problem for sure? The man I'm go find, boy have mercy, him full of secret. Secret for kill. And the man come in like him honest. Right? But him not honest. Him just love tell me people mix up, love tell me people business. He would tell me somebody business, but him not tell me film business. So many people know that the relationship, he not tell me. But him act like him honest. And that's and the man mean. You understand? But one last thing, Mr. Fixie man. I say, man, I really want. Him not understand, so I really want him. Kind of stuck in this world where I can't even reach and find. Him not believe, so I really genuinely want him, you know. He not believe that. And I him really want. The man have a woman.
I heard your daughter. It's a good thing you come to me at the right time. Because people going through the same situation worldwide. People don't know who to trust and what to do. People don't know who really love them or who really want them. A lot of people out there, a lot of great pretenders. Right? And it's not you alone going through the same stuff. I've been through it. So I've been through it, that's why I can fix your problem. Your problem is so simple. But you're giving me three, like more than one person you're talking about at the same time, right? More than one person. Is it more than one person?
Yeah, kind of.
It's a mixture of like 3 to 4 people? 5? More people?
Alright. I know 1, I know 3. So you have me, my ex-man, the man I'm fine, the man I'm fine, woman, I don't know.
Go back in the past.
Sorry. I'm going to go back again. Because I don't know what my account say. You have me, my ex-man, the new man, the man I want, and I think the man I want, woman. That's all. About 5 to 6 we are say boy. And not just one.
Based upon my observation now, I think that because there's so much iron in the fire, you will not get your full potential of what you really want. Saying this to say that no, all you need to do is step away from the equation. Don't think you're going to lose. You're not going to lose. By stepping away from some problems, that's how you can see it more clearly.
Hello? Yeah. Tell us I'm going to come look for you later. Love you too. Yeah. Alright, babes. You want KFC and burger?
Yo, give me this. Which man that tell you on the phone and chat to?
My cousin.
Which cousin? You tell man about I love you?
I never say no I love you.
Are you there to take me for?
No.
Oh, me come down here, yeah, there in a dung there. You never accept me for your walk down.
Go a shop, go down.
So if
Where's
you
somebody?
now go into your own world and pretend, don't let them know, you know. Let them feel that you are way up there and they cannot catch you. You can pick and choose out of them who you want to deal with now because they're going to want to try and reach you. Once they're trying to reach you now, you are the one pulling the shot. You see, because you play your hand and they see hand where you play, they are using the hand that you play against you. Secretary don't come in soon. Me talk to yeah. So what go on now? What you're gonna do now? You're going to put yourself up yourself. You're gonna start just different. You're gonna start put on some different style. You're gonna start to laugh. You don't talk to them much anymore. They go so, what is? What she know? Just give them that. So, you know you can do too. I'm gonna give you a bright idea. You play a game with them. Because they've been playing a game with you for all their life. You're gonna spread a rumor on yourself that you win the lottery. You're gonna pretend for a minute that you win the lottery. And you have the money to collect. So everyone gonna try to come to you. So when them come to you, you're gonna say who really want you and who really, but at least you're gonna get a piece of them for a period of time. Then you pick a choose, and from them you see the true person out of them come out. If you want to run down for what you have, they never want it in the beginning. If you want to come to you genuine, we want it for a long time. So my time is that who you really want, you know, is who wants you. And you have to put yourself in one place where you value yourself more than them. Because either you or them. So where you go to now, anytime you have somebody they want you. True. So pretend that you have somebody all the time. So you go want them more. Make your friend them, your girlfriend them, put the icky mark them for you. That's sucky, you know. When you put the icky mark them for you, there's something there. When you step in a spike heel, and you talk on the phone. I don't know on the phone. Just turn off the phone. Let me say ring in your ears. And yes, baby. In front of the one there. Make him see somebody wants you. Oh, and you know what you have to do? Send yourself flowers in front and present. Like somebody can gift come you. You understand? Somebody can gift come you like, oh, somebody say you must get this and you write the best poem on it too, you know. Oh, your eyes are so this and you must start looking in your eye and true. Oh, I love see that color in your eye. So you're turning the role, flipping the script. Put the attention to you now. So you go be the center of attraction. And with that now, maybe you'll be the one. He must be pursue you now because he fall in love with you. Him go start grow to you now. So try that for 10 days, then come back and tell me what go on.
We're really talking. The guy that I want.
The guy that you want. You do this entire scene.
Yeah.
You just get a call. I don't want you want to chat to you. Give me a minute there. Hello, babe. Yes, babe. You know, you like talk some things to sort of people, but you know say every man want here about.
I am sure it will work, sir, because I said that same man I want. Him hard to please. And him is like him get irritated like You understand what I mean?
I think that guy wants you too, but him just don't know you. So this is how I'm gonna get to know you by people seeing you. Why I just think that people are see you. So we say we're gonna go to Bahamas next year. It's pay, but you're too much. Why do you want to buy me a Benz? I don't have a crib, I'm not too fussy, you know. What up, you know? And then you have, as the end of before now, you have to team up with a friend, man, which I call you. And then you have a bridging where I call a stalker now. It's a stalker one. You want a stalker one now. You're your friend, I play the phone, I call you a minute. Yo, I'm going to tell you why you youth. You don't tell me, I'm going to tell you why you. Where you come for a minute, you just have, baby, me dog. If you have a male friend, let them call you for the phone for a speaker. And you just know that game I play. I tell you, you want you, I can't do without you. And start ball, and fake ball, and there's a pay money for that. And then, tell me results. So you have two, you have one way, you have one like you have one way I stalk you. You go on fit yourself in. You go on kick the man foot. And you now go come in like a stalker, so you go leave the nice. I'm going to come in between them, I'm going to come smooth. Because anything between, that's where the nicest is. That's the truth. And live your best life. I want to come at the wedding, you know. Me want to come at the wedding because you will get that man.
Thank you so much,
You
sir.
will get what you want. I fix things and never fail it. Try that. And come back.
I trust you.
I'm going to come at the wedding.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
Pay the secretary.
I will.
Alright.
Thank you.
Alright. Money, yeah.
Who that? Oh, come in.
Aren't you?
No, it's not. You know, so I just want to talk to you to sit down.
So come sit down beside me now.
Yeah, alright, man. Me tell him.
Come sit down beside me.
No, let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. I want to talk to you. Me talk to you, look kind of hot.
Nice.
Hey, Messi. I see a relationship thing here now go work out. If you know me, yes.
Why you talk about not gonna work out? Why not gonna work out?
Me don't want to be a boyfriend anymore. Honestly.
How come you don't want to be my boyfriend?
No.
When me I did lie down in a bed, you didn't say you don't want to be my boyfriend. You didn't
No.
say yeah, you want to marry me.
But
So how come
me just-
you are talk about this not gonna work out now?
Watch out, me just make up my mind. So you have to go leave before my father comes.
Take it, don't touch me.
Man, you have to go
Don't
leave.
take a dirty hand off of me.
You have to go leave.
You know what I'm saying? A lot of my friends and that tell me say you don't want good boy.
Me a good youth, man, but me care.
I'm there here with
relationship,
you. And
relationship.
so you treat me.
You have to
Don't touch me, man.
You have to go leave.
He's a
before my
dirty
father
boy.
comes. You have to go leave, my girl. Go on.
But we all just bun down with them.
Go on. I wish the same for you.
I said you with me.
Go on, my girl. Me no want. Me
I'm
can't-
gonna send somebody for you.
No
What?
send nobody in my yard. Send nobody in my yard. Well, you don't understand. Me say me no want you. Me no want you. My girl, sure. You back to yourself, man. I want you, girl. Love me. Love me. Want the next. Want the next one now. One me. Nah, let me personal, man. Nah, let me personal, man. You don't say you want for a long time.
Tell us if you want to come back, come back.
I'm glad that you come back.
Oh, God.
Yeah. I want to tell you something.
Good or bad now? Tell you, yeah, walk and go
No,
on.
man, I'm hot. Hear me, I say no. You see, relationship thing in not gonna work.
What do you mean it not work?
No, nothing happened. Just.
What happened? What happened?
I make up my mind. I want a girl.
What do you mean? Brother, what does it get up for almost 1 year now? And that you come with?
You say me no want a girlfriend. My father said, come here for one.
You gonna say me don't know your father. Oh, yeah, run my father.
No, me I tell us if we go on before you come back, you know, on people in your head, so I will go on.
You should have told my friend you want to a relationship you want. Don't feel waste my time.
No, but you want a relationship, but some come in mind, so you have to go leave.
Me have to go leave.
Yeah.
It's when whoever see it's when whoever no, it's alright. It's when whoever you left me for fail you.
Me nah listen to nobody. Go on.
We gonna see. It's when whoever you left me for fail you, don't come back the way you here. We say waste me damn time.
Come on, no. You cannot talk. Deal with what man, cause me can't bother with you no. 1, 2 no. I'm just Gigi. I'm just Gigi man. Alright. Come on, baby.
No.
What do I know?
Take more no.
Oh, maybe I have one confession to make, you know. Isn't it?
So we can call up for me.
Oh, maybe have 1 and 2 girlfriends, but we know, you know, you're a good part. I left them, so I just see alone now. I just see alone now, I focus on. And I know my girlfriend, I just see alone.
Or really, I say this, me feel better.
No, I just see alone. I don't say nothing to make you feel better, it's truth.
Alright.
Me a come. What happened? You saw me that one about the chopper boy there, make you go and make the chopper boy beat you up and you run come back now. Eh? You see how you stay when me that one you? Eh? You not listen. You not listen that you forget little girl cause you not listen. Lucky boy never fish out when you eye. How would this ya? Hello?
Hello.
Yes?
Yeah, you hear me? I said,
How would this?
I your daughter boyfriend. But you hear me? I said, tell her daughter to come back in her yard. No, cannot do this thing come down here.
But you outside you have to your box up a little girl and block up her eye. Eh? You have come call me daughter about tell me daughter to come back. Boy, come off on my phone and go for here.
Lady, you don't want me to get nothing down. Tell her daughter to find back me tell somebody to come and come over there for match him up. You hear me?
Come little girl, come out of my house. Come out of my house. Me see us, me say me and put you out. Come out of my house. Show me door, get up. Come out of my house. Come out, come out. Whatever. Take it. I'm grateful. No, me no want you coming here. Stay out. No. What? You better find somewhere go find a side man. Cause me look like I never have one man. Find somewhere go stop beat down my door. Come out of my house.
Alright. Walk on. Hold on.
There. But
Where are you, daddy? Yeah, man. Are you that now?
yeah, man. Up and living color.
So everything I'm tell her work then?
Everything burnt, no coffee, no jack, no mash. You see me? The right pan chop.
Clocks no, but you're going with things, so man, mash up with things, man.
Ask up on everything. You see me?
Alright. So, you know how I go?
Everybody used to look at me as a little dirty boy, but God bless me, you know?
So all you have to do now is maintenance, right? It's like how everything you get, give thanks to it. And you see the woman too, give thanks to her too and entrust you, make you treat her good, make you feel good. You know what I mean? Because there's going to be plenty more where that come from. Because of the situation and the occupation. You know what I mean? So now you're up on the right track, that just do the right thing. Sky's the limit, man. Do your thing. I said advice when I get to you, I'm give myself it, you know.
No, man, you did it for everybody, man. You did it for everybody, you know?
Me I go and deal and so on. Said advice, me I go and stuck in a love for a minute. But after that, I follow said advice, because I fix enough people problems. You're gone, I rather know. I'm still the same place I go on. So I survive it, you know, but I could handle better. Freely and truly. You know, and she here still, because she run back in the bathroom, you know? If we change a woman the right and get one sensible woman like what you have now. You know what I mean? Things are better. Go so. Which is not sister?
Well, I'm not sure about the sister part, you know, but I tell her the owl of the moon and the bright and shine. You have to get with that young girl and nothing. They're not business about nothing, all the things they get up at about hair, nails, clothes. I expect woman to want them, you know, but them provide something on the table too. And then I'm provide, and me alone I provide. And told me that papa what they give me a good advice, see there, and me know. And plus a man turn up the road.
Yeah, do it. Yeah, man. Proud of what you go see her go on with improvement, makes sense, see it? So, if you never make the move, you will not have the improvement for sure. You know what I mean? So you know, see the girl who they would have done for them time there.
You know, to tell you the truth, I see her one time in a fall, you know, and she When we passed the first time, she had flagged on the vehicle, but she never knows how many hit. When you turn that visitor, she just watch me on the roundabout and find a paddle of water and the speed. Flash her up and then wind up the window and say, me see one man, the dirty dog, when you left.
Boy,
Bex.
rough, man.
Right. So I'm going to feel, not to want to about feel, man, you know, because feel all feel, man, do I sleep at daytime and smoke, right through. In that food, I make a little breakfast. Daddy, you give me good advice, me I give good advice. A pastor can never solve your problem. Eh? He's a thief and he still can't solve that, but yet he can solve other people's problem. All that.
Yes, boy, I don't know how I'm get myself in that situation, but as Mr. Fix It, I can't fix that problem, man. Like, this is one more than what I can manage, but we there in night, I don't know if we come out, I don't know when we drop in night, and I don't know if we get out tight. But I hope some of them is young boy, see her and take her away. Can't we die? But just not see her. One idea them. My Hungry Belly son there now, you know. My Hungry Belly son. Right, and now him pass through, I don't know. I'll send him back in yard now though. Because him come from way up the line. I'll send him back up. Boy, but they still. I can't talk too much about because today one day I'm supposed to relax and just calm down. But is that good news today? Is that good news today? You know what I mean? If you say what happened. You know what I mean? So life is great still. Give thanks to life. We're there. You're not too late. You're not too late. So, what kind of vehicle?
Oh, Prada, you want a Prada, man.
Yeah. Look good. You know what I mean?
I tell you.
But be careful on the road, man. But anyway, we're there going all the time. Right now, we have plan to go down the river, go all swimming in the river. Is it?
Alright.
Do it.
Take it easy.
Burn it down. Yeah, man, we reach to the end of the show. And the ladies them tell on the floor from the beginning, but just in case you reach to this point and never do what them say for do what them say for do. But never do again.
Like, share, comment,
and subscribe.
Remember to tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah, man. So as we go along, we're doing our best to develop the movie industry in Jamaica because I see where the need is necessary. We have too much talent here wasting, and we need to build a platform not only for Jamaica but for the entire world. We have a lot of stories to tell. I'm gonna start yet. You know what I mean? And we always look for new actresses and new people because everybody come with good and bad vibes. So the good vibes them is gonna exist forever and the bad vibes will not survive it. You know what I mean? So as we go along, work good and let us do what we do.